Hello and welcome to the National Weather Service office in Pocatello, Idaho's weather presentation for Saturday, October 9th. What you'll see in this presentation, here are key points. The storm that came in yesterday on Friday will be departing late tonight, but will continue to drop rain and some high elevation snow during not only the overnight hours, but even during the day today. Next storm arrives on Sunday night. It stays through Tuesday. It'll be colder. The snow level will eventually drop to the Snake River Plain by Monday night. However, we're expecting less than an inch in the Snake River Plain and eastern Magic Valley. And most mountain amounts should be less than 3 inches in the 24-hour period of basically Sunday night and Monday. It'll be a much weaker storm on Wednesday to Thursday, and it'll be mostly limited to the mountainous areas, and high pressure returns for Friday. So let's take a look. As you can see, it's a busy weather week. For today, we're looking for morning rain in the Snake Plain, the Magic Valley, the South Hills, and in the Central Idaho Mountains. Some of it's just a chance of rain. You can see the Sawtooth, Lemhi County area should be clearing. Will be the first to clear, basically from west to east as we go through the day. There is a chance of thunderstorms even during the morning hours. However, if you get in the Central Idaho Mountains, it's more of just a slight chance. For Sunday, we are looking for it basically to be a break until really until the Sunday night period. You can see the chance of Sunday night rain and snow in the South Hills, Sunday night rain in the southeast highlands and such, and then Sunday night rain and snow likely for Lost River, Wood River, Sawtooth, and Lemhi County. So the Central Idaho Mountains is where it will all start again. Meanwhile, in the Snake Plain and Magic Valley, it will be getting breezy. It'll also be breezy today, by the way. And then Monday, the rain is likely to continue in the Snake Plain and Magic Valley. So after yesterday's pretty good rainfall, where we actually set a record rainfall for the date in Burley, and others were pretty heavy for this time of year, we are looking at another very rainy day on Monday. Rain and snow pretty much everywhere in the mountains, and then just rain likely. And then could change over to snow late on Monday night, even down in the Snake Plain and Magic Valley. And then the morning snow will continue in the lower elevations with a chance of rain otherwise. And then rain and snow, the only place it's likely really on Tuesday is in the southeast highlands. Everywhere else is just slight chance to chance. And then you can see it starts to break up again on Wednesday. Just some limited areas of slight chance rain and morning snow. And then on Wednesday night, the next storm coming in, slight chance of rain and snow, though, for the Central Idaho Mountains. All in all, though, we are not expecting any warnings or watches to be issued. As I said, even the snowfall amounts in the mountains in a 24-hour period should be 3 inches or less. All right, so here's what's going on. This is this morning's what we call a horizontal weather depiction or surface weather depiction. You can see where the rain and snow are here. Basically, our entire area is covered, although you can see it is trying to indicate the clearing, as you can see in northwest Lemhi County and northwest Custer County. It already sort of brings the precipitation out of there. And it's not really a stationary front. That will be moving through the day. And so that should actually probably be more of a cold front. All right, so let's see the evolution of snow here for Saturday. You can see it's mostly limited to the very high ridges in the Central Idaho Mountains, and then some of it getting even over to the Idaho-Montana border on those ridges and mountains up above the passes there. And that just continues in the afternoon. And notice how high it stays. It's basically limiting itself to the mountains and only affecting the high elevation passes going into Wyoming and maybe places like Galena Summit. And then here you can see during the overnight hours it starts to basically get limited to the eastern highlands. And then for the late night hours, turns into nothing. So the highs for today, much cooler than yesterday, down about 5 to 10 degrees. And then the overnight lows, you can see a lot of freezing temperatures now in the valleys and alpine basins in the central Idaho mountains, and limited areas in the southern and eastern highlands getting below freezing, but a lot of them getting that even in the Snake River Plain solidly in the 30s. And here's the winds for Saturday. See, it's getting pretty. These are gusts, so this is the strongest wind. Should only be gusting to around 25 miles an hour, which is not much, frankly, for Pocatello, and gusts to around 20 in the upper Snake River Plain. And then the only place where it's really gusty is in the eastern Magic Valley. Well, it'll be gusting as close as 30 miles an hour. All right, for Sunday, you can see the high pressure will start to dominate. There is a chance for some rain and thunderstorms. You can see that area outlined, and then mixed precipitation in the blue for light rain and snow, and that will mostly be during the overnight hours. So here's how it starts out at 6 p.m. The snow is just beginning. And this is snow only, not precipitation. And so we are looking at just light snow in the mountains. You can see as the night progresses that its snow level lowers, but still just really a dusting of snow. It's an inch or less during that 6-hour period. And then Sunday's high temperature forecasts, we'll notice with the clear skies that it rises about 2 to 6 degrees for the afternoon highs, but then the clouds move in. That sort of prevents us from getting super cold, with the exception of the central Idaho mountains where they're back to more normal temperatures with Stanley at 17 degrees. And then here on Sunday, again, another gusty afternoon, a little bit stronger, but not by much here for Sunday afternoon. And that mostly over the craters of the moon and Arco Desert. All right, then here on Monday, the next storm coming in, you can see the areas of snow getting down to the surface there in Lemhi County and Custer County. Mixed precipitation otherwise. And this should be our heaviest day of the next 7. So here it starts out in the morning, the snow going pretty good. You can see 1 to 2 inches. And this is before it really gets going. And then here you can see it gets a little bit heavier for Monday morning. And then Monday afternoon, continuing pretty good. You can see most of the significant accumulations are limited to areas north of Rexburg. Overnight temperature, this is the afternoon temperatures. Look how much it's fallen, only reaching the 40-degree range down in the Snake River Plains. That's down about 10 to 15 degrees compared to Sunday. So very cool and cold day on Monday with all the cloud cover and the cold air behind that low. And look how cold it gets here for Monday night, Tuesday morning. Stanley down to 10 degrees, below freezing, even pretty much the entire Snake River Plain. And then the afternoon highs for Tuesday, it'll struggle to get back in the 40s. Will be a little bit clearer. There's a brief break before the Wednesday night storm moves in. And look at how cold it gets here Tuesday night, Wednesday morning. Pretty chilly, even for this time of year. So we are looking forward to a wet week. And actually, in the 8 to 14 day outlook, it continues to look like at least near normal precipitation and continue cool temperatures. So we are looking for this storm to continue today that was there yesterday, with thunderstorms possible now. But it does depart late tonight, break on Sunday, more on Sunday night through Tuesday. This is a colder storm, so we'll start seeing some snow. And then much weaker storm on Wednesday to Thursday. And high pressure returns for a brief break on Friday. That's all I have. If you have any further questions, you can contact us at this telephone number here. Or check out the weather yourself at weather.gov/Pocatello. Thanks for watching.